Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add link to text in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to select the text that you would like to add link to. So for example, let's say I would like to add a link to right where you see professional tutor on my screen. All I would need to do is select the text box. Then I'm going to tap on edit text. After doing that, you can select the text that you would like to add the link to. Once you have selected the text, so I'm going to be selecting professional tutor, then I'm going to tap on the link icon that will appear at the top. After you have done that, you can choose whether you would like to interlink it. So you can select which page, and you could choose a page and you could interlink it to a page. Or you can simply tap on web address. Then from there, you could paste in the external URL that you would like to share it or link it to. So for example, let's say I would like to link this page to, let's say, this Canva page. All I would need to do is copy the URL, then go back into Wix and paste the URL right here. After I've added the URL, I can choose whether I would like it to open in a new window or the current window. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on done, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.